Factors. Factors are numbers that are divided into exactly one other number. They are like bricks that make up a larger number. Factors of 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. These numbers can be multiplied together to get 12. If we take 6 for example and calculate 12 divided 6, we get 2 with remainder 0. So the 6 is divided exactly into 12. So 6 is a factor of 12. If we take another number, for example 5, 12 divided by 5 is 2.4. So 5 doesn't divide into 12 exactly, so it's not a factor of 12. Factors of 15, 1, 3, 5, 15. These numbers can be multiplied together to get 15. If we divide 15 by 5, we get 3 with remainder 0. We prove that 5 is a factor of 15. And if we multiply these numbers together, so if you do like 3 times 5 is 15. If we do 1 times 15, we get 15. So these numbers can be multiplied together to get 15. Multiples. Multiples are the results of multiplying a number by an integer. They are like the family of numbers linked to a specific number. Multiples of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and so on. These numbers are obtained by multiplying 5 by various integers. So these are the numbers you get if you multiply 5 by various integers. So for example, 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 2 is 10, 5 times 3 is 15, and so on towards infinity. Multiples of 7, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, and so on. These numbers are obtained by multiplying 7 by various integers. As before, if we multiply 7 by various integers, we get its multiples. 7 times 1 equals to 7, 7 times 2, 14, 7 times 3, 21, and so on towards infinity.